All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So get it off my chest. Oh, oh. Share something. Share something so others know about it, and you are not holding the secret anymore. Not holding anymore, but get it off my chest. Oh, share it with the world. So she has something important to get off her chest. Yes, so she has something important to get off her chest, to share with it. We had to get it off our chests because it was holding us back. Do you think it was important enough? If so, then you were better off since you got it off your chest. Yes. Definitely. I have something to get off my chest. There's something you have to know. I have to get it off my chest, and you have to know about it. I want to tell you something. Tell you something, and I want to get it off my chest. Yes. So, we need to talk. There is something I need to get off my chest. I need to tell you something. She wanted to get it off her chest, and told me everything. So she wanted to tell me everything and get it off her chest. Tell me everything. Now I know. So, get it off my chest. Now, can you use that idiom in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, or Udemy. Yeah, but how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.